Okay, this is how you take apart the RC-505. First, pull all the knobs off. Next, pull all the faders off. Next, you're going to need a pair of pliers or some vice grips or spanner to remove the nuts on these two and the washer. Next, you want to turn the whole thing over. I've got some bubble wrap here to protect it. You need a crosshead screwdriver, preferably a little bit longer than this. So 15 screws in the back. Once you've taken them all out, you can just lift the back off. Everything is mounted to the front. The inside is split into 4 boards. If you just want to get in for cleaning, you don't have to disconnect everything. This is how you get inside it for cleaning without taking everything apart. Take out the screws on this main board. Take out the screw on the little MIDI input board. 3 of the screws are underneath this board here for the next piece. There's one here in the corner. Next we're going to lift this up. And you can see another 3 screws here. So you can sit that back down there. Next, take out the screws on the button board, the fader board. Now that you've taken all the screws out, I would suggest cleaning this first. I just use a paintbrush to clean all of this. Put the lid back on it snugly, hold it tight and turn the whole thing over. And very carefully lift off the front cover. And everything sits perfectly for cleaning. All of these, just lift them up, clean them as you see fit, then very carefully place them back exactly where they were. You can get to all these bits here as well, all the buttons, all here to be cleaned, and the dust collectors. Dust collectors for the faders. When you're done cleaning it all, carefully place it all back on. Carefully. If anything moves around, just give it a bit of a poke. You should be able to nudge it along. Now here, I recommend putting these back on. Hold it all tight, turn it over. And then we're just reversing the whole routine. If you don't know where the screws go, they're marked with stripes. Done.